Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to make good trades in Monopoly Go. Now it's very easy. All you have to do is simply play the game, earn stickers and cards, and from there you can join the group on Facebook. Now how this works is when you go to an album, let's say you want the last remaining cards of the Robin Hood collection, all you have to do is trade your duplicates. Now as you can see, I have 2+ duplicates of this bullseye sticker. Now all I have to do is, for let's say I want a text time, I ask the Facebook group. So simply you go to the Facebook group, you ask it, you make friends with them on the Monopoly Go app, and if they, for example, need the bullseye, you can trade the bullseye for the text time, and then you can complete your sticker sets way faster. And this is a very easy method, and you can do it for all the collections. Now from here you can earn a lot of points, a lot of money in Monopoly Go. Now if this tutorial helped you in any kind of way, leave a like, subscribe, but most importantly, of course, thanks for watching.